Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ferrari 812. First, let's get comfortable. Adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and control. Locate the engine start button and the Manettino dial on the steering wheel. This dial controls the car's various driving modes, from wet conditions to race settings. Take a moment to understand each mode's purpose before you begin your drive. Getting these basics right ensures a smooth and confident start. To start the Ferrari 812, press the brake pedal firmly, then push the engine start button. The powerful V12 engine will roar to life. For shifting, the 812 uses paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Pull the right paddle to upshift and the left to downshift. For a more relaxed experience, especially in city traffic, you can engage the automatic mode. This allows the car to manage gear changes for you, providing a smoother ride. The Ferrari 812 offers exhilarating performance. When accelerating, be mindful of the immense power from its V12 engine. Smooth and progressive throttle input is key. For braking, apply pressure gradually to maintain stability, especially at higher speeds. The car's advanced traction and stability control systems are there to assist you, but always drive within your limits and road conditions. Enjoy the precise steering and balanced chassis. To truly master the Ferrari 812, practice is essential. Find a safe, controlled environment like a track to explore its full capabilities. Professional driving instruction can also significantly enhance your skills and understanding of high-performance driving. Remember to always adhere to local traffic laws and prioritize safety. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.